Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your W-2 tax return. First, gather all your essential documents, including your W-2 form, any other income statements, and records for potential deductions or credits. Make sure you have your Social Security number and bank account details handy. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and accurate filing process, helping you avoid common mistakes and ensuring you have everything you need right from the start. Next, decide how you want to file. You can choose to file electronically using tax software, which often guides you through the process and checks for errors. Alternatively, you can submit a paper return by mail. For those with more complex financial situations, a professional tax preparer can provide valuable assistance, ensuring all details are handled correctly and efficiently. Now it's time to complete your return. Carefully enter all income information from your W-2 and any other sources. Then, apply any deductions or credits you qualify for, as these can significantly reduce your taxable income. Before you finalize anything, take the time to thoroughly review all entries. Accuracy is key to avoiding delays or issues with your tax filing. Finally, submit your completed tax return by the deadline to avoid any penalties. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time. If you're due a refund, you can often arrange for direct deposit into your bank account. Remember to keep copies of your tax return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years for your records, just in case you need them later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.